Hey, this is Kane with BTI Wheel Factory. Coming back after a little break doing another Wheel Factory drop-in. Today we're talking about some new Wheel Factory wheels. We're doing a kind of like a good heavy-duty trail, enduro use, even some downhill use wheel set. These are Crankbrothers synthesis alloy rims laced to the new DT370 LN hubs. Good details on these rims are they do front and rear specific rims. The front rims are 31.5 millimeter wide and they're drilled 28 hole for a little more compliance and just to make a better tire profile. The rear rims are 29.5 millimeters wide and a little bit heavier just for more strength. That wheel's going to take more impact. And they are 32 hole. And yeah, we're selling them on as 27.5, 29, boost only right now, but we do have hubs, so you can request a non-boost version. And for the hubs, we're doing the new DT Swiss 370 LN hubs. These have been updated to use their super well-known star ratchet, the same as that's been in the 350s for years and the 240s before that. So you can upgrade the ratchet later on if you want to have a higher engagement hub. Super reliable, just kind of one of the most tried and true drive mechanisms in the industry. We're building them up with double butted DT competition spokes, brass spoke nipples. I'm just going for like this is like a ride it all the time, all year long, and then into the next year and everything like that kind of wheel set. Great upgrade, or just like as somebody's damaging wheels, a good burly option for them. Yeah, they're awesome. They ride nice. The colors on them came out really great. They look really cool and nice subtle graphics and everything. Tubeless compatible and everything. And yeah, check them out on BTI Wheel Factory.